Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Polygon Network, how to secure your account. You need to secure your account now that B is coming to an end. Many guys out there are looking for who to default, so make sure you secure your account. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. So for us to secure our account, you click over to the setting icon here. Now you scroll down, you can now see account security. Tap on it, and for those that are saying they have not passed KYC, keep farming, and we hope that next round is coming soon. But as you are waiting for the next round, keep on checking to know when the KYC slot will be open, especially at night, so that you will get it right. So let's click on the security settings. So here it is important if you can do your face ID verification, very important. But what we are going to do now is to enable two-factor authenticator, that is the Google authenticator. So you click on this Google authenticator, wait for it to load. So you can now see secure verification. Look at what they say: secure verification. For your security of your account and answer, the following information is needed to verify. So they are going to send you a verification code in your email. You click on send code. Once you click on send code, they are also going to send you an SMS code on your phone number. Make sure you bind at least your phone number. So you are going to do it like this. So you click on send, then you click on send code as well. So I have received the email. You have to go and check your spam folder, what is it called, your spam, so that you can see the code. I have been waiting for the code. It was now that I said let me check my spam messages, and I have gotten it. So let me tap on this. So this is the code. I'm going to copy it. Now let's go back to the B. I'll paste the code here. Then for the SMS, make sure you have a Telegram. That is where they are going to send you SMS for the phone verification. They are going to send you SMS on the phone verification. So make sure you have Telegram. Let me check which one is TikTok shop join. I did not join any TikTok shop. So where is the email? Okay, let me check my other Telegram. So I've gotten the code as well. The code is, check your Telegram. You're going to receive the code 55927. Then you click on verify. Enable touch ID. Accessing account asset is more secure and convenient. Click on confirm. Now they said bind authentication app. Protect your assets with one-time code. Enhance account security. You can bind any third-party authentication app such as Google Authentication. Then you click on continue. So you are going to copy this. I hope all of us has Google Authenticator. We are going to copy this key. This is the scan or key. You're going to copy it and go to the Google Authenticator and paste it there. You label it. Let me copy. So if you don't have Google Authenticator, go to your Play Store. Let's look for Play Store. Go to Play Store here. You tap for Google Authenticator. Look at it here. Once you click on Google Authenticator, this is the Google Authenticator. Everyone has it. If you don't have it, go and download it. It's very easy. Once you download it, you add your email, then you are going to be receiving your your keys from different websites or projects. So what we are going to do now that we have entered Google Authenticator, I'm going to change this to this email. Continue. So what we are going to do now is to click on this plus sign so that we can add that email. Once you click on it, you can now see scan a QR code, you click or enter a setup. So we are going to click on this enter a setup key because that is what we have. Now we are going to name it B account or B wallet. Now you paste that key here, that key that we copied, you paste it, then you click on add. Click on this add. Can you see that it has been added? Look at it. This is the B wallet that I pasted. It has been added. So let's go back to B and continue. Now that we have pasted it, we have added the B to our email. Now you click on continue. So they said new authenticator app, 6-digit code. Let's go to our authenticator app and get 6-digit code. This is the 6-digit code copied. Let's go back. So we are going to paste it here. Paste, then you click on confirm. Can you see successfully set up authentication app? Please back up the recovery code. Please back up the recovery code for temporary use in case the identity verification is lost. You can as well back up your recovery code, and this is your recovery code. So copy it and back it up on your this thing. You'll go and save it somewhere in your notepad. The app is lost, you can easily recover your B account. So I'm going to copy it now. Can you see that now that my account is, can you see reset authenticator showing that it is now on? If you want to reset it, you can click on that arrow and start afresh. You click on view other verification method, then you will receive the email, the OTP, and you are good to go. So go and secure that your account. And this is not the only thing. You also need to make sure you click on this account and security. Click on accounts and security. Make sure you bind your account. Make sure you bind your phone number. Make sure you bind your phone number, your email. If possible, bind your Google. And moreover, do not forget to link your wallet. I've made a video on that, even though I did not complete it because it is frustrating himself. But I'm going to do it again. Bind your wallet, that is the most important one. Bind your Telegram, even your X, bind your account so that even if anything happen, you can easily recover your account. So make sure you bind at least the ones you can bind them and get ready for the official listing day. So if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.